Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping straight into a massive operational headache for growing businesses, the true financial and operational costs of scaling your HR department. Specifically, we're going to unpack our source material on OrangeHRM, looking at it as a seriously robust open-source alternative to those usual super expensive platforms. So picture this. Your team is growing, which is awesome, right? But your HR budget, not so much. It's a great problem to have, but it leaves growing SMEs with a tough question. How do you actually manage expanding teams when commercial HR software charges punishing per-employee fees? Here's our roadmap for today. We'll look at the HR growth trap, introduce OrangeHRM, check out its real-world features, weigh the costs and limitations, and finally, chart a path to making the switch. All right, Section 1, the HR growth trap. Let's explore that first major hurdle businesses hit the second they outgrow having just a handful of employees. Growing companies usually run into a wall and face this painful binary choice. On one hand, you've got this error-prone patchwork of manual spreadsheets and scattered shared drives that just eat up hours of your day. On the other hand, expensive commercial platforms like Bamboo HR that hit you with punishing fees that just balloon every single time you make a new hire. And that right there is the core issue. Per-employee pricing. It's a billing model where your subscription costs multiply directly alongside your headcount. So exactly when you desperately need core HR functions the most, things like keeping employee records and tracking leave, the software becomes this massive financial anchor. It's a total trap. Which brings us to Section 2, enter OrangeHRM. To escape this trap, we're looking at a free, self-hosted starter edition released under the GPL open source license. Now, you might be wondering, is this some experimental fly-by-night software? Not at all. OrangeHRM has been in active, continuous development since 2005. That is nearly 2 decades of real-world maturity, which is exactly why it's been adopted by tens of thousands of organizations worldwide. It's incredibly well-tested. Let's put that into perspective with some actual numbers for a 30-employee company. The contrast is frankly wild. A commercial platform like Bamboo HR, that's going to run you several $100s every single month because of those per-employee fees. But if you self-host the OrangeHRM Starter Edition, you're literally just paying a flat $20 to $40 a month for standard PHP and MySQL hosting. 0 per-employee fees, you are saving thousands of dollars a year, for sure. Okay, Section 3, real-world features in action. Let's step away from the price tag for a second and see how this functionality actually transforms the day-to-day operations of that 30-person company. If you are currently losing PTO requests in some chaotic email inbox somewhere, this is a real game changer. Employees just use a self-service portal to submit digital requests. The system automatically routes it for manager approval, and boom, it instantly updates their leave balances. No more hunting through emails, no more updating spreadsheets manually, and it goes way beyond just tracking vacation days. It centralizes all your employee personal and history records in one spot. It standardizes those performance review cycles that, let's be honest, always seem to get delayed. You also get time tracking for billable hours, which is huge for client-based projects, plus basic recruitment tracking and clear reporting dashboards on headcount. It empowers your team to self-serve and takes that heavy administrative lifting right off HR's plate. Moving along to Section 4, security, costs, and limitations. To maintain total objectivity about our source material, we absolutely have to look at the trade-offs of a self-hosted setup. Right, so the free starter edition isn't magic. There are limitations you need to know about. For one, the user interface is functional, but a bit less visually polished than premium options. You're also getting fewer advanced analytics than you'd find in paid enterprise tiers. It handles basic payroll. Well, actually, if you have complex multi-country operations, you're definitely going to need a separate, dedicated tool. Oh, and since you're self-hosting, your IT team is on the hook for ongoing manual maintenance and security updates. But here's the thing. That self-hosting requirement is actually a massive data security benefit in disguise. Think about it. You get to keep all your sensitive employee and compensation data entirely within your own infrastructure, rather than handing it over to a third-party cloud. You control the strict role-based access, and you run the backups. For a lot of organizations, keeping that sensitive compliance data entirely in-house is a non-negotiable plus. All right, Section 5, making the switch. How does an SME actually transition from a mess of scattered spreadsheets to a self-hosted deployment without breaking everything?
It's honestly simpler than you'd think. Most SMEs knock this out in about 3 to 6 weeks following 4 steps. First, audit and clean your data. Please, whatever you do, do not migrate bad data. Second, simply import your CSV records. Third, configure your workflows and leave policies to match your existing rules. And fourth, this is a great pro tip, run both systems in parallel for a bit just to verify accuracy before you fully pull the plug on your old setup.
Now, for a truly smooth rollout, our source material highlights a few best practices. Getting the guided installer running usually takes under an hour on standard PHP hosting, which is fantastic. But the real secret sauce is the human element. Introduce those self-service features gradually so you don't overwhelm your team on day one. Provide crystal clear guidance on what staff can actually update themselves, and train your HR admins thoroughly on the reporting tools to get the most out of the system. Oh, and as a quick aside, for those of you following the broader Uplatz series on free and open source software for SMEs, our next module is going to explore Centrifugo. That's another open source HR system, but with a much heavier focus on granular customization, if that happens to be your top priority. Ultimately, if you are completely over the spreadsheet chaos and dreading your next commercial software bill, OrangeHRM offers a highly mature, proven way out. And it leaves us with this final provocative thought to chew on. Why pay per employee when your HR software can grow with you for free? Definitely something to think about as you plan your company's next phase of growth. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I hope it brought you some serious clarity.